tours for tourists here. Mountain adventure. Town.
Hello, Joe!
Hello.
Go!
Hey, bro.
Do you have friends?
Yeah, I have friends here. They coming to the farm. The one girl I really like. She studies. Yes. Rafa May. She's a very nice girl. I think they have a farm.
Hey, Joe.
That's many tourists.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
Hey, yo.
Hey, come.
Oh, okay.
Ah, okay. Yeah, there's the farm. Oh my God. Yeah. Take care. You can fly. Farm looks full of nature. ich denn hier? Ja. I almost die. We have to help the driver. He cannot go on.
It's okay. What happened?
Speak with the driver.
Ano ya?
Hello.
Mutangat pa ka? Okay.
But you can walk up here.
No,
Go.
it's okay, Buck. Not
Yeah,
front. How? Just back the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, balik lang. Una na sila. Wala pa. Inan man ako. O gani. Kira na.
Yeah, thank you. It's okay. Walk up and down. It's just for the nature.
Char. Two. Hello. Sige. Oh my god. Sorry. Kasi ang face ako in case.
Yeah. Can you hold this?
Oh, sure.
Okay. I come back as well.
Okay, okay. Joke. Mapasing-pasing na kag ako diri. Kita ra ka? Or day. Picture niya ko dito. Imo lang cellphone.
Hi! I'm here at Iyo Farm, Cebu City.
At Barangay Toong.
You can visit here at 60 pesos entrance fee. Fresh air.
Ako na ligay ba? Ako. Bilan. Boy. Ari diri eh. Ari ba? Oh, ini na. Ay, kiko pa ta. Sakit kiko kamot dai.
Yan na rin. Sige tayo, pamalit ka sa'yo. Ano?
Pakita mo na. Bali mo na.
Bako ni. No? Okay. Kero pa. Where are you?
Hello.
Ano bali man ni? Ay. Shit, biyasan tong driver taxi. Yabon ko to. Baby, stay ni.
Ari aba, pero di ko di ako to.
Wala ga. Ano sa dali? Tarong na ko pugong mo. Ang view ay pagitayo ako buang. Yan naman gi-enjoy yung kwandari. Manang picture siya mayo.
Enjoy di kay mo. Kuan sa midiri.
Ay, ko anak ko. Ayaw ko. Akong mga.
Lagi ni.
Ang view rin ko. Ganun na pagkuhan ako. Pagunit na ako. Pagkatag niya yata. Ako manaw nakita. Sabi na ko bak. Yung ko iba.
Abisad na ko. Iyak.
Antay mo mo. No. Masag siya ako. Iglayat niya. Umaoy ka. Alo. Tawag mo sa nung taxi eh. Ya, tali ya. Kaya bunti kaya. Madungog dito siya akong ganyan. Bo. Just joking. I'm here ya. Pagdali na niya.
Ala.
Nara ko diri. Gawat ni mo.
Ano mo siya?
Ano ni? Dali ya. Gawat ko ni mo ya.
Ala.
Aray ya.
Ouch.
Ay, so sakit day. It hurts. Pagkagiyatay niya. Kung kita rin istorya pati. Aba ah. Oh shit. So nice?
It's a nice view.
Beautiful.
Iba yung sa magawa sa kwan. Sunset.
Ay.
It's going down there.
Naman si kuya. Kailangan natin yung panasan si kuya.
Hey, ilan?
Hey.
Oh, the taxi make it.
Oh,
Yeah.
easy to download. Easy to download.
Yes. But not too fast.
Ah.
Die. You pay the entrance fee?
Not yet. Si kuya is also
Okay. Down. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Hold it.
say hi to them. Nanindot ka
I bring some food, but not Jollibee. Sorry.
Oh, it's
okay.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, dito ba? Wala isa. Ito ipakita nindot. So nice. Ay, ano eh.
Ay, si kuan-kuan
Ano
dira
kasi
kay
Arno?
basing makangion ko diri buang.
Ay, nakakawin na kayo. Kuya, balik na. Yung bayad tayo.
I'm not tired.
You tired?
Oh, no, it's okay.
Hmm.
Not couple.
Not kapoy? Ano kapoy? Just,
Just enjoy the view.
enjoy the moment.
Enjoy the company.
Yeah. Fokus na din,
Enjoy the
nagipong ka din.
Mosquito! Ada po kasi kang hinirang. Bibi!
Ay, cute kayo.
Cute kang bibi. You want to go there? Up?
Yeah. What time is now? 5?
4:31. Kapoy! Ayan dyan.
Oh.
I have a gift for you.
Oh. My God. No need. No need. Hey, what is that?
It's a surprise.
Oh, yeah. Wow, it's a surprise.
for you.
Whoa. Oh, thank you. That's so nice.
You like
Thanks
it?
for the gift. Yes, I like
I
it.
buy this for you.
Whoa, thank you. It's nice.
I hope you like the color.
I like the color. Oh, it's nice. Okay. Thank you. Wow. There's no need to give me a
Because
gift.
you know I like you
Oh
very much.
my God.
And I know you have to study first.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. But I hope we can stay in contact.
Oh, yes,
Yeah.
we can.
So
I'm so sorry for the past few days.
yes.
I'm so busy.
You was busy.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay if you text me sometimes.
Okay.
You can also when
will.
I go back home, we can stay in contact.
Take
I
care.
hope so, yeah. And when I come back to Cebu, we can meet again.
Oh,
Yeah.
I will.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
And maybe one day when you graduated, I can marry you.
Wow. You're so advanced.
You know I like you.
Mm.
Yes. This is awkward.
Kuhanin mo yun yan.
Tinaw dyan na yan.
Hi. Welcome to my vlog, guys. This is Tony.
Hello.
Tony Stark, he built the Iron Man. Tayo.
Mag-boy sa iyo.
This is our girlfriend. What's your name? What's your name?
I'm Rofami.
Rupame Kento.
Wow. Oh, sakad
Yes,
na.
Melanie.
Ha.
Oh, Melanie is so scared.
Scared ko
She's
camera.
shy.
Ay, shy?
Shy.
Yeah, I'm not scared.
We all friends.
Is-
No
delete,
need.
sir.
Yeah.
You delete that.
No need to scare.
Tapos daw.
Yeah. It's not good. It's not getting better from alone. You have to go dentist.
Yeah. I think she do not use toothbrush.
Every morning, every evening. At
Every
least.
hour.
Yeah. Before go sleep.
Grabe grabe
Sabi mo
nakakahiya.
ay kabuang naman ay mo.
No, there.
Yeah.
Your question.
Young girls are crazy.
She smile. Smile. Sure. Look at her. She's like an Chinese.
Yeah, yeah. Your papa is Chinese? No.
His mama is Chinese.
Mama?
Pure Filipino.
Filipino, yeah. Morena Beauty. Yeah. Oh, not good. What? On
May
your
ano
cheek like this. Yeah. Go dentist. I told you. I told you yesterday, or maybe before. Very good.
Take me.
Thank you for company us. Yeah.
Kilig ko. This is bell pepper. Oh, hindi ta sir sa? Kita kayo muna akong sir. Laruha sir.
Still recording.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then
Very
you
good.
press 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Then it change direction. And you can selfie.
Oh. Sir, if you add me in IG, you seen this video
Yeah.
sir?
Yes, I sent you the link.
Ate, ano yun? Tutuyok mo na
Yeah.
Good na sir. Ha?
Hi! Are you a vlogger?
Huh?
Vlogger?
Yes.
Ah.
I can give you the channel later. The YouTube
Yeah, your
for,
channel,
for my
YouTube
YouTube
channel.
channel. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, Happy New Year!
Cute pa!
Pit Senor.
It's in ya.
Pit Senor.
Ano na sir? Turn off sir.
It's in here.
Push this orange button.
The orange, yeah. Then it's stop recording.
Okay. And how to turn off?
Just turn the screen.
Okay.
Then it goes sleep again.
Oh. Sorry sir, we don't have this in this mountain.
Yeah.
Hi sir!
Hello.
Rupa wants to join you.
She wants to tour you around.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Let's go. Beautiful.
Yeah.
You come here before?
Oh yes.
Yes.
So long ago.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Joking.
Oh, this is a hard form.
Yeah. We can go up there. There.
You want?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Nice.
Oh, it's a nice.
Yes. Nice place.
I'll go first.
Yep. They have a lion. 2 lions.
Yeah. Step 2.
Yeah. Wait, I go. Okay.
I'll go first.
Mm-hmm. Look around.
It's a beautiful place.
Yes.
It's a hard form.
It's hard, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
A water fountain.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
You want to add more?
Who lives in this house? Manok?
No.
No manok.
No, no.
Lion.
They're like house of a dog.
Yeah. It's the mountain lion. Yeah, the dogs sleep there.
There's no dog. It is over there.
Arrow.
Oh, arrow.
Arrow.
The Bisaya of dog.
Yeah. Arrow. Arrow and Irene.
Oh, Erin.
Yeah.
Cat.
Yeah. Hey, yeah. Very nice. Your friend's so friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're so nice too.
Yeah. Very good people here.
Yeah. Let's go down.
Yes.
Are you not tired?
No, it's okay. I sleep before.
Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
It's good to you.
I just go there too. This is a nice house. We can live here.
One?
You can live. I'm too big. It's too small.
Wow.
It's for the dog.
This is like a house of princess.
Yeah, it's a palace.
Yeah.
It's a palace for the dogs. The flowers are nice. And the water
The
fountain.
name of flower is Bombel.
Bombel.
Oh,
Okay. You have to teach me more Bisaya.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your parents can speak English?
Not much.
Yeah. So I have to learn before I meet your parents.
Uh-huh.
So I can speak a few words with them. But not today.
Soon.
Yes, soon. When you're ready, you're texting me.
Yes. I will. Oh, water. The Bisaya of water is so big.
So big?
Oh, so big.
So big.
They are so big.
Oh, some more. Not enough.
Yeah.
We go to the heart.
Oh, what's happening?
Yeah. Go. You can go.
Hey. So nice.
Nice place. Very nice place. So here. Yeah. This camera is 360. Yeah. Okay. Let's walk here forward. It's a big area.
Yeah.
Yeah. So much to see.
I came here when I'm little.
Yeah. With the school?
Mm.
Hmm.
This is not like before.
Yeah, they change.
Mm.
Make more
Big
beautiful.
change.
Yeah. Make everything more beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
so nice with the sun. Oh, I forget my phone. I want to make a selfie, but I forget.
Wait. 0.5 ni siyang cellphone. Take picture 0.5.
In your
Earlier.
phone. In your
In your,
phone.
in your
Yeah,
phone.
that's good.
Wow, ako wala na.
I sent you the pictures.
Okay.
Why me? It's not there.
0.5 later. Take picture.
Us.
Oh. No, let's go.
All of us.
All of us.
Go up. Yeah. Okay.
Here. Here.
Okay. Ay, nalang here.
Sorry?
Pero may
Yeah.
again. Naman here.
My foot is bad. My foot is bad.
Yeah, so bad.
0.5 ko na
Sorry, ako dahil. Ay ba? Sorry, ka dito. Kalito. Ayaw. Kalito, eh.
Ang palayo pa dyan.
Oh my God.
Lagi ko kasalbad.
Bisa ko dapat ito. May picture rin ako dito. Hey, be careful. Uy.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay.
Hello.
Take us a picture.
Smile.
Welcome to my castle.
Take us.
Scary a little bit.
Okay. One, two, three. Smile.
Anak niya.
Okay. Take picture.
Yeah.
Us. Okay, done. Cute kayo. Hindi to juga.
Ako daw usaday. Ako raw daw. Ay.
Okay, ako sunod ha.
Meron.
Wow, so nice. Nice view.
Take me the one. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Picture ko balik. Mana?
One more, you.
Oh, no. Can Melanie take me a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
0.5.
I sent you all the picture.
Okay, later.
Yeah. Prepare for the sundown. bring the other camera? Can bring the other camera?
Hey. Be careful.
Yeah.
Ay, okay.
Kuha sila ko.
Ari, sa din.
One.
The other camera? Yeah.
Asa ka? Hey, what's up? Welcome to AO Farm 2! Waday. Start off na. Hi! Hi! I'm shy.
It's okay, it's okay. Don't be shy. We all friends.
Yeah.
I give you this one.
Sa'yo ba? Ano lang ba? Meron na.
Apa ba ito na naon?
Ayos ko.
Di, nagdaggan na good.
Nagdagan ate, nagdagan.
Bita, nagdaggan na. Picture.
Mati ka ito. Camera natin.
Selfie. Together.
Yeah, then sing.
Selfie together ba?
Ay, isa din.
Hello!
Ano bang yun? Oh. Ay, oh, din. There. Ano yun? Ay, sa'yo lang.
Para ah.
Asa ibo? Para ba?
Tagak yan ang buwangan mo.
Kaya pwede na ikuan. Ikuan ba? Dili day. I'm begging up. Where should we put this? Iyan na ba na? Arila. Ano din?
Hi, Buki. Welcome to my vlog.
Bukya. Hi. Maigo na dapat.
Hindi ko kabawa na.
Dili. Asa man? Asa man ko?
Hindi ko kabawa na.
Kasi una oy. Kita do habil.
Saan man na oy.
Muna sa din haron.
Ang saya rin na rin.
Ay go. Wa makagasabi day.
May
Balik ka,
gapon,
kita
eh.
duha lang. Balik ka.
Baby.
Mura to, duha.
Uy, ayoko uy. Ano ito sa ko? How to bakam.
Okay, una.
Okay, I go zip line.
Oh no, take care.
Joke.
Hey.
Ewan ko na.
Nice.
Ano sa tawara sa
Okay, isend na natin.
One more.
One more.
Okay, one more. Another.
Nice.
Isend lang lang.
I'm his camera guard.
Yes. Camera assistant.
Yeah.
Yes.
Unsa na day? Katugya po. Uy, lain. Wow. Ay, mangita na ko ita. Alam mo na, nakuhaan man to ganihan sa likod. Ako nga pa na.
Pinoy style.
I'm talking about that dump truck.
Ato, isa nang tagkuan.
This is mine.
Ito. Oy. Ano ko, nag-play na ni pila ko, ikaw ano eh. Wala, hindi na auto delete. Gago. Huwag ka na siyang dako. Hi! Hi! Welcome to my vlog!
Kita, alam mo.
Welcome to our vlog.
Tama ko ganihan.
Sure, sure.
Ay, anak naman.
Ang tamis. Magagot na mo, ganun mo sila dahil. Nagkatamis ang taxi doon. Nahunong kay. Atras ang pagkalit-alitras. Galing ka hunong. Nagalihan. Katabang mi kay Edwin. Katabang mi ka bato. Mga cutie girls.
Yo, what's up? Hi, Cookie. Smile kay nice kay kuan. Kita daw upat kay picture tayo. Uy, nice. Kita upat ba? Mo gani kasi ang picture ta kita. Yan na lang.
Kani, oh?
Bakam no. Kay nag-video ko. Ana. Awat to mo ka.
Say hello to my little friend.
Yeah.
I'm in the middle.
Oh, yeah. Oh, the camera is here. Showing. Oh, what's up? I will be nice no. Ganin ako ba? Nagawin mo sundun. So hello guys. So this is where 8:00. This is already 5:34. Time check.
I'm sorry, we don't know how to vlog, so that's why I'm
Hello guys, what's up?
AO Farm. Hello, AO Farm.
What are you doing? Huy. Ani. Taray. Sunod na. Hello guys. Hello. Oh. You. I will put that charot. Here.
Hello.
Nice. Ikaw may kwan ba? Drone. Human drone.
Human drone.
Uy! Be careful. Hey, what's that?
Okay, go down.
Good down. I'm scared. Can you hold it?
No!
It's good. It's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah. I'm scared. You're not scared?
We're also scared.
Yeah.
So
Rafa said careful.
Oh, it's so. We're good.
Oh, video.
It's going backwards.
Uy, bakit mo nagdagat pa?
Look stupid.
There is river. Do you want to go there?
A river?
Yeah.
In the mountain?
You can swim
Yes,
there.
river in the mountain.
Falls.
It's a waterfall.
Oh, waterfalls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's called Kawasan.
Far kay tubig. Liyo kay bigo.
But
Ano
it's
sa?
not
But it's
soon.
too far.
Better go tomorrow. Yeah. Next day.
Next time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's too dark then.
Yeah.
Too dangerous.
Not now, that's soon. Together.
That was nice.
Asa na yung picture? Kalaag na kasunod. Pas lang sa. Oh. Hello.
Hello, YouTube.
Hola, amigas. Esperanza, de Mirata, de Capota.
Por favor.
Uno, por favor.
Por favor.
This is very useful, Jirza, if you want
Yeah.
to go to that.
Nice.
It's so small.
Yeah.
If you want
Nadiha ang
to,
kamera.
I sent you the video from Sinulog. Yeah, from the parade in Sorrento. I sent you before in Facebook. But you can't open the pictures, no load.
No load.
Yeah.
Maybe later.
Yes.
what if it's Wi-Fi dala niya?
Naman na wifi sa mong balay.
No Wi-Fi?
No Wi-Fi here.
Ah, she's rich. There's a Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Really?
Not rich.
Not rich.
Iyan to ate.
Ay, sige ate. Pagsintay mo ate.
Japan ay.
Ang Japan.
Japan daw. Kanang wala ay.
Di pa okay.